Large objects present unique challenges. Trees, vehicles, large sculptures, playground equipment. You need a systematic approach to ensure complete coverage without missing spots. Planning your route. Before shooting, walk completely around the object and plan your path. For a car, you might do outer circle at standing height, outer circle crouching, closer circle at standing height, with 16 positions in each circle. Top angles from ladders or elevated positions. Exterior shots, if accessible, that's 50 to 70 photos. Large projects need 100 to 200 images or more. The key is systematic overlap. Imagine you're painting the object with your camera's view. Every part of the object must be painted from multiple angles. For tall objects like trees, circle at ground level, circle at mid-height. Walk back for full height shots. Try capture the top from all sides. Don't forget undersides of branches, backs of details, and shadowed areas. Large objects require stepping back to fit them in frame, but the detail suffers, so do 2 passes. Far shots, capturing the whole object. Close shots of detail areas, textures and features. The software will combine these into one model. Wind is your enemy. Moving leaves or branches between shots will cause problems, so shoot on a calm day. Changing light conditions? Work fast or stick to overcast days for consistent lighting. Other people or vehicles in your shots? They'll show as artifacts, so be patient and wait. Plan your route, ensure complete overlap, mix far and close shots, and watch for environmental challenges. Next up, building facades.